Okay, now we will add the menu item to bring these two dialogues. So to add a menu item, go to resource view and expand the menu, and you are already seeing IDR main tribe, so I'm double clicking that. Once you double click, in the left side you can see the resource editor for the menu item. So here the first item is showing as exit. So here in the view I am adding these two dialogues. So what I am doing is I'm just clicking on this, then I'm just started typing first DLG. Then in the next item I'm just clicking second. So now menu items are added. Once you click the first menu item, then we will end up in bringing the first dialog, and once you click the second dialog, we will end up in bringing the second dialog. So I'm clicking on the first item, then I'm choosing properties. So the property here shows what is the menu item name and the ID associated with this menu item. So let me click save all here. Okay, so now let's hook menu handler for this. So what I'm doing is I'm just clicking. It looks like a button here, right? This is the name portion of it. This one looks as a button portion. Click and choose a property, or you can directly add handler, add event handler. So welcome to the event handler wizard. So message type is command, and in the class list it just asks where you want to provide a handler for this. So all I am choosing is I will I'm clicking the same mainframe, because the C mainframe is hosting the menu item template. It will be good to launch the dialog from this C mainframe class. So I'm choosing a C mainframe. So I'm just clicking add and edit. So it brings me back to the code editor window. So I'll add handler for the second dialog as well. So I'm clicking this, and then I'm choosing add event handler. I'm choosing C mainframe and add and edit. So that's all. Now two handler is ready. So from this handler we are going to launch the dialogs, and we are going to test how the hook function intercepts the key events that is coming to this dialog and changes the caps lock switching. I mean when you toggle the caps lock from capital to lowercase letters, the filter function will intercept that and change that back to capital letter. So when you are switching from small case to capital case, I mean when you are turning on the caps lock, the time filter function won't do anything. But when you are turning off the caps lock button, the time filter function will check that and moves the toggle state back to the caps lock on stage. So the effect is whenever inside the dialog and when you type something, it always appears in the uppercase letters. Why? Because caps lock turning off the caps lock is not allowed through filter function. Okay, so I'm closing this